Assalamu alaikum. This is Musarraf Shah from Pakistan. It is the first assignment, part of the International Educator Bootcamp on AI and Coding with Junior Blocks from Stempedia. Let's move on to the assignment. This assignment is about the introduction of Toby to the friends. In this, the movement is controlled and the conversation with each other is displayed. So let's execute the code. The Toby comes from far, and this John is saying that my friend is coming, which is Toby, and here is the conversation. The weight blocks are added to synchronize the conversation. Thank you. And the code for each sprite everyone waits for its turn. For that, the wait blocks are added, and the character changes when they speaks, and when they become they done their conversation, and the character changes. Thank you.